Welcome to Theme and Code. In this video I am going to show how to develop a pizza restaurant website with WordPress. Are you hungry for success in the competitive world of pizza restaurants? Well, here's the secret ingredient to take your business to the next level. A well-designed website can attract hungry customers, showcase a delicious menu, facilitate online ordering, and improve your overall brand image. Let's get started. Planning your website. This is something you should be concerned about when you are planning for your pizza website. Defining your goals and objectives. Identifying your target audience. Mapping out the structure and content. Setting up WordPress. WordPress can be installed in various ways. The easiest way to install WordPress on cPanel. To install WordPress, open your cPanel dashboard. Scroll down and you will see Softaculous WordPress Manager and then WordPress. Simply select one of these options. Then just click to get started. There you will see some installation options. Click Install. Choosing the perfect theme. This is something you should be concerned about when you are choosing your theme. Researching pizza restaurant themes. Evaluating theme features and compatibility. Customizing your website. You need to follow and maintain these steps when you customize your website. Creating essential pages. Customizing the header and footer. Configuring menu display. Adding engaging content. Integrating online ordering and reservation systems. Optimizing for search engines. Enhancing functionality with plugins. Essential plugins for pizza restaurants. Explore and install WordPress plugins that offer additional functionality specific to your pizza restaurant needs. Just create your business posts in PDF format using Canva and upload them to your website on a regular basis. For this you need to install the TNcFlipbook PDF viewer for WordPress plugin. Mobile responsiveness and performance optimization. With the increasing use of mobile devices, it's crucial to ensure your website is mobile friendly. Choose a responsive theme that automatically adjusts the layout based on the user's device. Test your website on various screen sizes and optimize loading times to deliver a seamless browsing experience. Optimizing for local search. Step 1. To effectively optimize for local search, start by claiming your business listing on popular search engines like Google My Business, Bing Places, and Yelp. Step 2. Additionally, incorporate location-specific keywords throughout your website's content. Step 3. It's also important to optimize your website for mobile devices. Ensure that your website is mobile-friendly, with a responsive design that adjusts seamlessly to different screen sizes. Launching and promoting your website. You need to follow and maintain these steps when you launching and promoting your website. Final testing. Social media integration and content marketing. Encouraging customer reviews and testimonials. Creating a pizza restaurant website using WordPress doesn't have to be a big deal. By following the steps you will be able to develop content, add plugins and launch your site. So that's all for today. Read our blog for more details. Hope you guys likes it. Subscribe to our official YouTube channel and thanks for watching.